Assalamu alaikum everyone and welcome back to the channel. Yeah, I did notice that the audio of Dogecoin, the past video, I had to delete that. Okay, I didn't actually realize that the audio was gonna actually get distorted. I don't know what's up with my laptop. It's kind of messed up a little bit, but yeah, I'm gonna redo this again for you. It's not an issue. And what I was saying with Doge here, yeah, we do have an idea and I'm just gonna give you an idea when Doge can actually pump. Okay, in here, when I dive into the daily time frame as well, we can zoom out of here and continue this one, and we do have a symmetrical triangles in Doge as well, and you can already see that in there. I'm just visiting the history as well. Okay, this is just history visiting, and this was your symmetrical triangle, had a fake out and then pumped towards the upside. Do you see that? Do you see that it pumped like a beast? Okay, and then you had this second symmetrical triangle which is bigger than this one. Do you see that? Now this, when it broke out of the symmetrical triangle, it took like 1 or 2 days to pump towards the upside. Okay, that's a fact, and that's a fact. Now what about this symmetrical triangle? I'm going to show you about this symmetrical triangle. Let me try to draw this even more accurately. Yeah, it is like that, it is like that, and this one goes like this. Okay, so this symmetrical triangle from here, it took some few days, and I'm going to show you. You had this pump towards the upside. Do you see this candle? You had that pump towards the upside, and from here, guys, this went from there. It took like almost 8 days or 10 days, let's say 8 days. Okay, and from here it started pumping towards the upside, and look at those price appreciation. Look at these green, huge green candles. Okay, the people who can bear this boring movement, later they're going to enjoy these candles. And trust me, believe me when I say this. Okay, you're going to enjoy these green candles. Now in here, this is the biggest symmetrical triangle. If you actually see, this is a very small triangle, this is a bit bigger triangle, and this is the biggest triangle. Do you see that? And I do think you're gonna get a very good price appreciation, and that's the reason why it's taking time. It's taking time to pump like a beast. Okay, trust me, it's gonna pump like a beast. It's a matter of time, and I do know it's not moving, and I know why it's not moving, as a matter of fact, because if we actually consider the fact that it took 8 days for the last symmetrical triangle that I just showed you right now, let's say this triangle here is 3 times more than the last triangle. Do you see? In size, yeah, in size, this is bigger, like the 3 times of this one, or 2.5 times of that. So if this take 8 days to actually pump, what is 8 multiplied by 3? This could take 24 days. Okay, 24 days, nearly 24 days. Okay, that's the reason why I do guess it's gonna take some couple of days as well. Now how many days do we have here from this pump to that pump? The date here is 29, and we started from 29 to 6th of October. Okay, so it might start pumping by the end of the month. To be honest, I'm gonna be honest with you. Before that, it's gonna really test your nerves. Okay, it's not even gonna move or anything. But anytime in 24 November, I do think it's gonna start pumping the major parabolic move that it does by 24 of November. So here's the reason why. Hear me out. Hear me out. First of all, I did do a logical reasoning with you that it takes a lot of time. Doge has a habit of taking, consolidation after it pumps or breakouts of the triangle, consolidate a little bit, then move towards the upside. Okay, there's one thing I also want to tell you, which is the trend-based Fibonacci retracement. I'm going to click here. I'm going to say trend-based Fib time, and I'm going to take this recent September dump to down to the bottom right there, and this gives us the time period that a trend can start pumping. And we do have we've already entered this area, so you might see Doge pumping until 14th of November towards the 31 region. Okay, 31 region. Then from here, when you enter 23 of November, because the new trend is starts from 14, and another trend can start from 24 or 23 of November. Okay, so you might see something like this. You go a little bit slowly, come down to the 30 by 14 of November, then a little bit slowly consolidate here, even more consolidation, and then when people are exhausted by 23 or 24 of November, boom, that's it. It goes all the way. Okay, can we reconfirm 20 something of November? Let's try to reconfirm this one once again. I'm gonna try to take the top, absolute top. I'm gonna show you. I'm gonna take this top, the 70, when 75 cents happened. Sorry, I'm gonna click here. 75 happened, and then to the bottom right there, just like that. And look, you have 17 of November. Could we actually pump anytime in 1723? I mean, in the mid to the end of November, this can start pumping as well. Now let me dive into the 1 hour time frame as well, and let's talk about the shorter time frame. Okay, this is gonna take a while, but I do believe it's gonna pump like a beast that it is. Okay, so I'm gonna remove this one as well. And yesterday I told you something. When I zoom in here, I told you something. You never actually lost this level, which is the 25 cents. Okay, it just came down quick, and the bulls, they stepped in and they pumped it. Okay, now we're making a triple bottom 1 and 2 and a 3. That's triple bottom. That's actually bullish. Okay, the prices are going to be bullish in here as well. Okay, look, it was trying to just now as I'm recording it was trying to break out of this resistance. Okay, so I do think it's going to move until 8 of November, then maybe try to go to 27. From 27 it's going to move towards the 30 region, and from there business can pick up as usual towards maybe $1. And let's see by the end of the bull run what can we expect from DOGE. Okay, I do have $2 price prediction, but let's see based on history what it does. Okay, I'm gonna go down to the first symmetrical triangle, and let's see how much we pumped from here to here. That is 1,063% pump. That's the first clue. What is the second clue? From this one to the top there, that's 1,000%, 1,100% by the way. So what if history repeats, and from here, from the breakout, we pump 1,000%? What is it gonna be? It takes you nearly that $3 region. Do you see that? Even though I do believe it's gonna do $2 by the end of this bull cycle. So yeah, that's it for the DOGE update. And I had to redo the video. I don't know why the computer was getting a little bit laggy, and yeah, that's the reason why we did have an audio problem, but it's fine. I got you, man. And thank you for watching this video. I'm gonna see you tomorrow with a new DOGE video update. Allah Hafiz.